Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn fixtures concept in the Cypress. So let's get started. So in the last video, we have learned the hooks concept. So it's for the practical purpose only. So let me just delete that hooks demo.feature. Okay. Okay, let's get started with fixtures concept. Okay, so we need to do this step by step here. So step one is create data.json and POM.json file under fixtures folder. So let me quickly create new file. So data.json file, here we need to put all the expected result. Okay, so for that purpose we should use data.json file, and another one is pom.json file. Let me quickly create. Okay, pom.json file is used for to storing the locators like css selector or xpath, whatever you want. Okay, so for the testing purpose, let me quickly put some random data here. Okay, so here we need to give key and value pair. Okay, like let's suppose name. So I'm just giving first name for the testing purpose. Okay, under the data.json file, and for the pom.json file. So here also we need to give the key value here. So here I will give city. Okay, then second step is, so we need to create the before.js file under support folder. Okay, and here we need to use before hook, and we need to create some functions as well here. Okay, so let me quickly create before.js file under the support folder. So support folder, let me create new file, paste the code before.js. Okay, and create a before hook. Okay, copy. I will explain all the code whatever I have written. Okay, so I have created before hook, and here we need to create set data and set test POM, these functions. Okay, so let me quickly create set test data and set test POM, these two functions. So I already created. Okay, I will also give the code. Okay, okay, yes. Okay, so function set is data, and under here we need to give the data.json file and pom.json file path. Okay, so how means we need to give the path like, so right now we are in the before.js file. Okay, and under support folder. Okay, so we need to traverse back. Okay, so for that purpose, dot means it will navigate to Cypress folder. Okay, you can see. Let me quickly close. Okay, right now we are in support folder. Okay, we need to traverse till Cypress, so that's why we have given dot dot. So it travels to the Cypress folder. Then after that, uh, fixtures. Okay, then data.json file. Same for the setTestPOM. So I have created one variable like objPOM. Then we need to write equal to require, and we need to give the pom.json file path same. Right now we are in support folder, so we need to traverse back to Cypress. So that's why we have given dot then we need to navigate to the fixtures folder. So that's why /fixtures, and need to navigate to pom.json file. That's why /pom.json file. Okay. Then also we need to paste below code. Okay. So if suppose we want to use this function to the step definition file, so that's why we need to export those functions like export function get test data and export function get test. Okay. So let me quickly save. Now third step is configure before.js file path under e2e.js file, because we already created before.js file now. So we need to configure that before.js file path under the e2e.js file. So let me copy this code as well. Copy and go to the e2e.js support. There is e2e.js. Click on e2e.js. So here you can paste. You can give that path import dot forward slash before. Okay, let me save. Then final step is open step definition file and paste below code. Okay, so we have created these functions now under the before.js file, setTestData and setTestPOM. If suppose we want to call it from this step definition file, then we need to call this getTestData and getTestPOM. So that's why let me quickly open the step definition files where we already created test underscore step def.js file. So here we need to paste this code. Okay, I will explain what is the use of this code. So yeah, here you can paste. Okay, so import get test data, get test POM. Okay, you can see get test data, get test POM. Then from we need to give the path. Okay. So right now we are in page objects folder. Okay, so we need to traverse back to e2e then Cypress. So that's why we are going dot forward slash dot forward slash. So we will navigate to Cypress, and after that we need to navigate to support folder, then support, and there is a before.js file. So that's why we are going before. Okay, otherwise we can see you can manually type as well. Okay, dot forward slash, then dot forward slash, then we need to go to support folder. So support, then forward slash before. Okay, like this. File save. Okay. Now here we need to check, means we already created under the data.js JSON file name. Okay, and under the pom.json we have created city. So we have to fetch from the step definition file. Okay, so for that purpose, okay, let me quickly create these variables. Okay, so if suppose we write get this data na, then it will store under the objData variables. And if suppose we call getTestPOM, this one, then it will store under the objPOM variable. Okay, let me quickly call these variables like that. Let me print cy.log. Okay, this is from data.json file. Okay, and let me quickly call for the data we are using getTestData, and we are storing under the objData na. So objData data dot, and that what we have put that name na, just dot name. Okay, same with POM.json file. Okay, log. This is from POM.json file. Okay, so for the POM.json we have created objPOM. Okay, so objPOM and under city na, so you need to call key city. Okay, dot city. Okay, this one objPOM objPOM.set. Okay, file, save all, and we already created one features file, so we are calling home page is open. Okay, let me quickly run npx Cypress open. We need to see whether the data is fetching from the fixtures or not. Okay, okay, test dot feature. Let me rerun. Let me hide this tab. Okay, we have to just see whether the fixtures concept is working or not. Okay, so see all. Okay, you can see. So it's got printed. This is from data.json file, and its value is first name, and this is from pom.json file, and value is Latur. Okay. Yeah, thanks for watching.